there's a lot more delta that comes through the MNQ. So because of that, you get more twists and turns with these delta bars. And there's just more bars. This whole chart is only 20 minutes worth of data. I've got the Ninja supply and demand indicator on this chart, as well as the HAMA bands, HAMA bands. I've found that this gives some good reversal signals with these delta bars. And the supply and demand zones that the indicator is printing are extra special because these candles are based purely on supply and demand. So this level was formed here on this candle. We scroll ahead later into the morning, came right back up to that area, and we drifted off. I've also got the volume point of control dots. If the dots are up towards the top of the wicks on the candles, I'm looking for further move down. If they're below towards the bottom, looking for moves up. These volume point of control dots are from the order flow presentation indicator from Ninja. I've also got the multi-overbought oversold indicator and the superior ADX. But here's the market open. We're getting nothing but green delta candles here. We start to get some reversal signals. Neither of these two delta candles had much up and down tick volume delta, but this candle starts stepping it up. It's also a nice big juicy candle compared to this little tiny one right before it. Get a nice little retracement there. So if you want some more opportunities and the candles to print a little bit faster, leave the 250 setting for the MNQ. If you want it to look more like the regular NQ, might want to bump it up to 500. This is from before 10 o'clock a.m. till almost the close around 3:45. See, we're getting some good signals here. This Ninja HAMA bands return signal, I'm really liking these on the delta bars here. And especially when you get a bunch of signals. And then you start seeing some bigger delta numbers, some bigger volume coming in. But this whole move up, we didn't get one red delta candle. Just getting some big delta numbers, big volume. Point of controls hanging out at the bottoms here. These delta bars could revolutionize your trading. Or it could be a complete waste of time and you'll spend months and months of your life trying to figure out how to use these things and give up and do something else. I don't know. Scroll back to earlier in the day, get some nice reversal signals. And then during this chop, so here's the end of day, when the next day starts, slow, choppy markets, but look at all these volume point of control dots all hovering up on these wicks, signifying a potential move south. And once we break these recent lows, have a nice little drift down until we get this reversal signal. Start getting the volume point of control dots on the bottoms here. Get some green delta candles, some strong up down tick volume delta. So lots of different possibilities, and you can use these delta bars with any of your indicators and it will completely change how they look and interact, and it will completely change everything. Everything will be new and wonderful.